I'll be challenging my student Paul with a twist.
The rules of the challenge are simple. We'll be playing 3 rounds. First round, 11 points. Second round, 7 points. Third round, 5 points. The winner of the first round will use a 10-pound racket for the second round. And winner of the second round will use a mini racket for the third round. Let the games begin.
Oh, and if you win, I'll buy you a hot dog at Costco. What's going on here? Kind of falling behind. Oh, you're beating me now. Unfortunately, I lost the second round. You gotta start using the heavy racket now.
I'll use the heavy racket.
Okay, let's
it's
go.
Okay.
Just to give some background, this heavy racket probably weighs more than putting 2 rackets together and swing like this. So here you go. All right, I know you had an excuse to lose that one, like you always do, but now I'm gonna use the mini racket, and I'm gonna even one-up you. You can use a normal racket, and I'll beat you with the mini racket.
No way.
Yeah,
All right,
if I lose,
sure
I'll buy you a
wanna do that?
Costco hot dog.
That's a low can you special.
All right, man, game over. Here's your hot dog.